State University, number 11.
Hey, listen, hold on. Listen. Look me in the eyes, listen. Big announcement. If this is your very first session trading live with us, man, I got a big announcement, man. If this is your very first time trading live with me, this is a big announcement for you.
Welcome to the party.
Welcome to the 15-minute Mafia, boys. Here we go.
Welcome to the party.
Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? We're going to get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? In a real way, though, only. You know what I'm saying? In a real way. Alright, hold on. Before we do anything, right? I've been watching this little order block right here. Yes. We'll keep that there in mind on the 5-minute chart. You know what I'm saying? Rodney with the news, man. The boy said just a yellow folder at 8:30. Okay. Let's look at Slick real quick. Let's refresh. Shit's bloody, but it's not like super bloody yet. We're at like 1%, 0.5, 0.7, right? But it's super bloody though, because this price been going down. Slick charts has been down red, so right. So we'll keep that in mind. All right, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, Will. Rodney with the news, man. Seriously, dude. Rodney's got that news. I really want to short this order block. Like the way I want to short it is set up like this. Break of this candle. If it's going to keep pushing down. Stop loss right above the high, ride it down to the lows. So if that were to happen, I click create new order, sell, stop. Stop loss would be 300. I could risk 600. Make 700. I think I might lock that in, y'all. I'm in this sell limit. Sell stop. So I just entered the sell stop. I'm waiting for this candle to break. Alright, now we're in a sell. And we're targeting all the way to the lows, which is a 1 to 2.3. I'm only risking 300 on this trade. So we're pretty much riding a 5-minute order block. And let's see if we can get this to keep pushing down and make new lows. We got our golden zones right here. So we got to be aware of that. It could stop right there. Yeah, I took a sell before we got on, made a quick 600. Good shit, Vermar. Nice. Back at the moving average on the 2-minute chart. See that golden zone? It rejected off the golden zone. Back at this 2-minute order block. Now that it done broke structure, pull back into it. If it's gonna continue down, it's gonna come out of this order block. So if it pushes up, that's my concrete stop. I'm not moving it. And it can still come into this 5-minute order block, amount around the 50% level, and still drop. But I will have to wait for something on the 1 minute, or the 2 minute, like a break, and then a 2-minute order block. But again, we was in profit, it hit the golden zone, and then rejected off of I could move my stop up here. And that would literally be trading the 5-minute order block, but with a late entry. And then I'll probably re-enter maybe, I don't know. But I'm still probably going to get out if it pops up right here, negative 300 or something. Let's see, I don't know. But I kind of need the space of the full order block if I'm going to be trading the order block. So price is rejecting out of this 2-minute order block as it should if it's going to continue down. One contract, bro. Just do what I'm doing. Price should come out of this order block they just broke. They broke it, came into it. This candle should balls to the wall. This is where I would enter another contract, and then boom, candle will flood. So instead of 2 something something, it'll be like 4 something something, 5 something something right here. And then when it pushes, instead of 7 something, it'll be like 1400 something. That's how you scale into trades, like after like. Another re-entry area. If it wants to keep pulling back to the order block, that's time for you to load up. What? Am I tripping, y'all? Or does what Eric say not make sense? Bruce, is that down the zone a valid order block to go up? Okay, thanks. What? I didn't even answer the question. What the? Eric, what? Ask me again. I don't get it. Bruce, is that down the zone a valid order block to go up? Is that down the zone? Type that again for me, please. And read it before you send it. Read it. Like, proofread it. Like, say it out loud. back to the golden zones. My golden zones indicator. Come on, get the indicator, man. It's the best thing smoking. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I see what's going, man. Yeah, I use these as exits, pullback areas, targets, rejection areas. Like, I knew it was going to reject there. That don't mean it's going to break structure and reverse. That just means it's going to reject there, pull back to your bearish confirmations, and then extend back down the trend. Now we're going to blow through it, and I might even be able to extend my take profit all the way down to this golden zone, honestly. So yeah, you can get the indicator for $75 one time. When I launch my website, it's going to be $80. It might be $100. So you better lock in now. And the website got 80% done. So y'all don't fuck up. How long or how many days with you does it usually take to pass a challenge? Will, how much profit are you floating right now? Type it in the chat. Will, how much profit are you floating right now? Type it in the chat. Okay, you're floating 1,500. Okay, close fucking profit, first of all. Take profit right now. Close profits. Close your trade right now. Bro, 1,500 is amazing. Get the fuck out of the trade right now. Close the trade, Will. If you don't listen, you're gonna have to pay, bro. Alright, close the trade. Listen. How the fuck are you up 1,500? You did 3 contracts? Or are you trading like GC or some shit? But that's a different trade. What was you asking me though? Bro, look at how much you're making, bro, on average. So if you gotta make 9,000, you can't make 4,500 in a day. You know, 4,500 is the max you can make in a day. So 2 days is the minimum. You just made 1,500 in fucking a few minutes. So let's say you do 1,500 a day, bro. Like what? Divide 9,000 by 1,500, right? I'm gonna bring my target down here to the golden zone. I bought 2 more when it pulled back, so I had 3 contracts. Yeah. So when I was saying this is the time to re-enter, you re-entered. Nice. That's how it is, bro. You take these trades and you like maximize them, right? Because of course, like you said, we could have did a whole another 2-3 more contracts with a tighter stop. So if we were gonna enter all these now, and if it pops up like right here, we would have had to get out. You get what I'm saying? Because we're in so many contracts now. Got it? Now, if you're right, that's where those 3 contracts cash you the fuck out 1,500. You get what I'm saying? So, right? So it's really like, you know, if you already cashed out or floating profits, W in the chat, P&L in the chat. Miss Rose, good work, good work. 719, nice. 719, nice. Cause when shit gets sticky, where the fuck that blicky? I told y'all not to be late, Kyle. Don't come in here with those questions, Kyle. I told you not to be late. Don't come in here with them questions, Kyle. This is the 4th trade today, Kyle. Now what? This is the 4th trade today, Kyle. The 4th one. Now what, Kyle? That doesn't really change nothing. You're late. We're in profit. I told y'all not to be late. Kyle said, wow. And man, that's how the cookie crumbles, man. Tomorrow I'm doing NQ, no more micros. That boy said he about to graduate. Bruce is gonna go Cartman on your ass. Bro, what? I have a question. Is each screen a different trade? No. Alright. Alright, now, before I already answered it, but look at the P&L on each one. Right? But no, real talk though, to answer your question specifically, these could be 4 different trades. Yes, you're right. It could be. It's possible. So I'm not just gonna say nothing crazy, right? Because ES, NQ, maybe YM. I think they all kind of move the same. So this all probably would be all potential setups for all of those, right? So to answer your question, for you next time, you look right here. You read the symbol. So if this says NASDAQ 100 E-minis, NASDAQ 100 E-minis, NASDAQ 100 E-minis, NASDAQ 100 E-minis, and it's all the same pair. Then you compare the P&L. 605, 605, 605, 605, 610, 610, 610, you know what I'm saying? 5555, 565, right? It's all the same, so it's the same per. Gotcha. That makes sense, Jazz? Because I really wanted to make sense. You're welcome. So now it's just retesting the golden zones. Yes. That's what these levels are. They came to it. You would expect it to pull back and then reject right here. It didn't. It pushed all the way back to this golden zone. Now when you come back, it rejects, pull back to the order block. Now when it comes to it, it's going to blow through it, break, pull back to it. So you could have waited just for this pullback, for this sell to enter here and target the golden zone. Yes. So now, since it did, so on the downtrend, it's going to do this full golden zone from here to here, right? So what's next on the downtrend? It's going to come here, pull back to this golden zone, now come here, pull back to it, and then the trend will extend to the next golden zone. Or it could stop at this golden zone, and then reverse, break this area, come up here, pull back to it, and then start pushing, break past this, come back to it, and then continue upward to complete this golden zone from here to here, right? So it's just like kind of zone to zone, order block to order block, liquidity sweep to liquidity sweep, all those shits going on. Yes, each screen is on a different time frame. 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and the 30 minute. When we are getting ready to enter trades, do we have to add the stop loss first, or it can be done after? After. I actually don't have a stop loss on this trade. Oh yeah, I do. Oh yeah, because I did a limit. Yeah, so I did a limit. So when you do when you do a limit order, you should sell education course so you won't have to keep explaining. I'm still gonna have to keep explaining. But you know what I'm saying. So if you enter manually, if I just click sell, bink, yes, you have to manually enter your stop loss. You have to manually enter your target. But if you come over here and go, you see this black dot, you put it on the price you want, and you click black dot, then you click create new order, then you click sell, then you want to click, let's say you want to do a limit, right? So with this limit, now you can set your stop loss here at 480. Then you can set your target here at 16 trillion. Right? And then when you click sell, bink, now it's going to put you in this sell limit. It's going to automatically give you a stop loss at 480. Then it's going to automatically give you a take profit at 1550. That's how that works. Now we enter the sell stop. So we did this, and then make sure the parameters make sense. And then we click sell. If the parameters don't make sense, you can't click the order. So that's why it's not highlighted. Capiche? Good job, Blake. I'll put my break even right here. Listen here, Windows. I'm not trying to update shit, alright? Whether you took profit or break even, W trade. See how it hit that low? Just barely. Then pop up. Cause ball it like a origami, something. All right, Rodney with the news, man. We catch you, Rodney. Same time tomorrow, Rodney, 8 a.m. Eastern. See ya, brother. Right, G Money, we know better, right? Crazy, right? But hey, put your shit at break even. Guess what? It never happened. Guess what? If you're not gonna take profit, you better put your shit at break even. You get what I'm saying? Hey, and guess what? And if it pushed back down on some confirmation, we just load it up again. I have to go into work. W 1500 P&L first day. See you tomorrow. Great work. Will got in here and got the fuck out of here. Good shit, boy. Five-minute order block right there. Let's say I wanted to trade this. It'll be a sell limit, right? I'll be risking 380 to take it back to the lows, bitch. So what I'll do, I'll just wait for this to break this order block. Break this golden zone and pull back to the moving average before I look for sales. Right now, since we just took a break even or not took profit on the sale, whether you took profit, didn't take profit, broke even, I don't want to sell it immediately now that it's back up here until it breaks and confirms. You know what I'm saying? Or we might as well just held the fucking other trade. Hmm. 15-minute OB. See that? Just by waiting on the confirmation, it saved me some drawdown. You're approaching this 15-minute MA. Damn. Yeah, MA. Yeah. 15-minute MA haircut. Tween stop there. It's got a while to go for the 30-minute. It honestly, hold on now. Hold on now. These sales at the 30-minute chart. I ain't even moved my 4-hour highs and lows today. Let's see what that would look like. Risking 600. $13.5 at the lows. I need to make sure I get in this bitch. So I'm willing to sell it up there. Hell yeah. Definitely willing to sell that. I'm locked into that. The last 30-minute order block. This is the newest 30-minute order block. Into it. Shouldn't go higher, just like here. Halfway. And then tank. We're also in this 5-minute order block, and the last move was also a 5-minute order block, breakout, pull back into the order block, and then break out. So pull back into the next 5-minute, break out. So I need to see this 1 minute push down if it wants to just drop now. Break, pull back to the MA. Past the golden zone, preferably, then down. Only thing that can stop the party is this last order block down here. So if price wants to keep going up, it's going to pop up right here off the MA. But we are rejecting out of this order block right here. I do see a fair value gap. So when they inverse that, bro, it's going to hell, dude. The same setup as earlier will be to taking the break of this candle. Rejection candle, we took the break out of it and we wrote it down. Rejection candle, take the break out of it, ride it down, stop above. 903, buddy. Ugh. It could come to the fair value gap and then push up. Yeah, I'm saying in a real way. I want to go short, but I need a little bit more. So now when I go short, I'm targeting this full golden zone. I want the full. If I have to enter down here, I'm targeting the full zone. If it's not coming all the way up here, yet at least. Alright, here we go. So we got the break under the MA, bro. I'm willing to go short up in here, bruh. So I'm putting a sell limit right up in here. 828 area. So we see we're in the FVG right here. So now we're trying to get this to pull back, enter us, push down, and then inverse this FVG. Candle closes under it. Then it's gonna fucking flood, melt, fall off the bone to be exact. See, the breakout of that first candle is always juicy, crazy. Alright, moving my sell limit down. I might manual enter in the next minute and 45, depending on how this candle closes. And I might go 2 contracts too. My sell limit might get hit here. I'm still waiting on 1:09. This candle closes under. I'm going manual short without the sell limit. It's 9:10 in a couple seconds. Ooh. So that'll be 20 minutes till 9:30 to the open. Alright, I'm about to go short in 14 seconds. Alright, I'm short. I'm getting ready to sell limit. I'm gonna get rid of this 30-minute right now for now, since we're in the trade. Two-minute order block right here. So if I'm selling two, I need to be buying two. I'll just put my target down here. I'll probably manually close though. All right, so if I'm selling it, I need to be buying it, right? So this is how you do a stop loss. So if I'm selling it, I need to be buying it. So we do a buy stop, right? So now I want to put my target at my stop loss at break even, and we hold it. We just let it run. And let's see if we can get a push all the way down to the golden zones. And then after it gets a little farther, we'll start trailing it aggressively. Maybe. But right now, hey, close profits, take profits, break even it, secure one contract. Do what you do. Listen, that's a W trade, bro. That's low key 2-0 on some chill shit. So shit.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Good work, y'all. I see you with your profits. Right, so if it's gonna do all this retracement shit, right? Reject, break, reject, grab the order block, now come down, it's gonna for sure go to the next golden zone. That's how it works. Which will also be 780. No. 780. Yeah, this shit can honestly go down to 745 easily because there's lows right there. I did not cheat, believe me. Good work, everybody. Good work, everybody in the chat. Good work, everybody in the chat. Close profit as you please. Because I'm going for the full home run. It's either break even or home run, bro. I'm not touching this shit. Got it? You gotta accept the risk, dude. Christina, not my first day, but been a while. Up 234 in profit now. Good work. Bro, do y'all see the stop loss placement? Sheesh. Whoo, bro, I'm like, no, break even, GG's, W day, 2-0, break even, but I ain't make no money. I'm sure y'all close profits, but yo, look at the grades of that, yo, what the fuck? Oh, if this pushes down, bro, that'll be the most goated, covered call, whatever the fuck. Options people be like, that's a covered call. I'm gonna get a covered call. It's like a protected play or some shit. I don't know. This applies for the same for 150K funded. What? Does what apply? For the, what are you talking about? Keep pushing down, bro. That'll be so goated.
Definitely hit my break even. Fuck, Kyle. Fuck. Did you have it like lower than mine? You had like a couple ticks off of mine? Yeah, fuck. Ah, that's how they get us, bro. And it's actually like an order block right here. Fuck. What an insane. Oh my. That, bro, listen. That was insane. Literally like 17 down to. That was crazy. I'm going to leave open a very small runner and see what happens. Yeah, might as well. And then stop loss at break even or something. Or I don't know how you're going to do the stop. Because if it pops back up, then what? Yo, what a crazy, holy crap. Talk about almost at BE. If this pushes down to take profit right now. If it goes up to BE, I'm cool with that because I already accepted that. But right now that it undid that, bro, 750, 1500 for the day. If I had to close it, it would have been like, if I had it too close, it would have. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, the fees. That's how they get you, man. Them $2 just cost you, bro. Fuck. So now you see how your decision, you know what I'm saying? Your decision made you, you know? That shit crazy. Trading is like all choices and decisions. Like, shit's crazy. That's why, like, you know, everybody lose, you know, statistically. Fuck, come on, keep pushing down, boys. Ah! Come on, man. We're going big or going home. Not home, but break even. Here we go. Boner candle straight to the lows. Kyle, if you got big balls, you sell that shit right the fuck now with double the contracts you just used. But that's only if you got the biggest fucking cojones. If you got little pee-pee chihuahua cojones, way, don't do it, way. If you got the little pee-pee chihuahua cojones, don't do it. If you got the grande papi, if you got the grande papi, what's another word? Grande papi, what else? Like, I don't know. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, boys! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! We're going straight to Target. Oh my God! Fuck Target, I'm out full. Fuck that. Hey Kyle, how much did you make? Kyle, how much did you make on those? You got the big fucking cojones. If you got the little PP 2-hour petit cojones, then you don't fucking enter. If you got the fucking big grande cojones, you fucking just cashed out on this sale. Oh, let's go. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm not live yet. This not personal funds, so these same strategies apply to the 50K, 150K account. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God, boy.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Come on, man. Hey, listen. Hey, say, bitch. Hey, listen. Sorry. Hey, but listen. Hey, listen. Yeah, be on time, bro. I told y'all, don't be late today, bro, because I started this shit pretty early. Hey, listen. Hey, listen to me, bitch. Hey, listen. Bro, I hate cussing for real. Cussing fun, but, I don't like to, do it around everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's a time and a place. Hey, but listen. Let me show you this setup. Look at this fucking setup, y'all. This was the FVG, right? I said if this shit closes under, what do? We fucking shorted it, 2 fucking contracts. And that shit tiggity tank, bro. We waited, it tiggity tank from literally our entry, bro. Are you dead ass serious? It literally had no drawdown, literally. Right? FVG inversion right there. That was a beautiful trade. And where do we take it to? We take it to the golden zone. We got out like right here. Right? And I know it's going to hit the golden zone. Got it? That's pretty much how it works. So if you have the balls and the right and all this other shit, risk management, the balls, the patience to hold it, and that's in your trading plan, that's what these zones are for. That's what these zones are for. So even right here on the 1 hour chart, if I add these zones, well, see if I put a line right here at the under these lows, where is this? This ain't nothing but the middle of the golden zone. Look at the 2 minute over here. This ain't nothing but the middle of the golden zone right there. Got it? So that's why you be on the lower time frame, taking it down, taking sales down to these higher time frame targets, which is also going to be the golden zone. So if you just take these trades levels to levels, bro, you're going to get rich, bro. So if you know this is a sell, you sell it here. You get the fuck out at the lows, unlike us earlier. But it doesn't matter. As long as we didn't risk any much more or take a big loss after that trade. That's why break even is so, it's kind of important. I don't really like it, but it saves you. Because there's times where I'm in profit and then it goes against you, then you lose. Now you start doing dumb shit because you lost. So if you do the break even, it kind of wipes the emotion that I just had $600, $700, and I didn't close. But if it hits me at break even, boop, I didn't lose nothing. I didn't make anything. That didn't happen, right? On to the next one. So then we came on to the next one. We waited. It was going to confirm it. We confirmed it. We could have sold it here and had more profit up in here. Remember this? At the break of this candle, the 930 is about to happen. 2 contracts at a time, floating $45. That's lit, Kyle. Hey, Kyle, are you on MNQ? Good work, y'all. Good work. Yeah, I can dig. But yeah, bro, you might can do a little bit more. So if you do, bro, 5 contracts on MNQ is half of an NQ. So 1 NQ is 10 MNQs. Got it? So if you do 5, that's half of an NQ. So if we make 200, you'll make 100 every trade, right? So if we lose 200, you're only losing 100 on those 5 contracts. You know what I'm saying? So from now on, scale up to 5 contracts, bro. There it is. It was very close. You see how I grazed it? That's why you always want to cut. Wait, what, bitch? No, I did hit it. It just the alert didn't happen. That's what happens, boy. We would have cashed out a little bit more if we would have waited. But guess what? I don't give a fuck because a 930, 925 could have did whatever, right? It could have did that right then and we would have looked stupid, right? So we got out here $1,000 and then boom, couple candles later it would have pushed and hit the golden zone. Didn't I say this earlier? I said now that we're coming back down, the target will be from here to here. This shit is so late. What the fuck? But didn't I say that when price comes back down after it did all this rejection to pull back into the order block, now we're going to extend the golden zone. There's multiple ways to get in this trade. There was an order breaker block right here. Break, pull back to it, continue down. Shit, there was the FVG inversion close down. Shit, it was the first candle close outside of the order block. Boom, breakout there, stop loss above. We took the same setup here. So we took the same setup, order block. We took a sell here. We took a sale here as soon as we got on stream. See at 810 at the bottom? At 810 down here. We took that shit as soon as we got on stream. I got on stream at 806. The intro was about a minute or two. 808, 808, 8010. At 8010, we was in a trade. At 8010, we was in a trade. And then we held that bitch all the way to the low. My bean burrito taco Beto Supreme head did not take profit, but I did put my stop at break even. My take profit was literally like right here. It was so stupid, right? So boom, hit my break even, and then boom, I waited. I wanted to sell here, but it could have hit this FEG and pushed up. So I waited. It broke under this MA. Could have sold there. I waited. This candle closed away from the moving average and under this FVG. Then I waited. I could have entered up here on the 2-minute chart on the break under the MA. I seen this rejection up green and then it closed red. I could have entered there. It broke. It pulled back to the golden zone. That's mainly where we entered, but we entered like up in here, respectfully. Because literally my price was like right here. My break even was like right here. Oh my God. That would have been 2 break even trades, but instead it grazed my break even on the second one and then hit 1,000. But it knocked Kyle out, so that's crazy. Sorry for that, Kyle, man. You know what I'm saying? That's why break even kind of sucks sometimes. Alright, so fuck y'all. Guess what? W day. That's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? We back in the winning column.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Today is 5, 6, so 5. Hey, y'all, we take it one day at a time, man. This is the first day of our 30-day streak, y'all. We're about to go 30 days. So 5, 6, 25. Green day. And then we go 92 out of 100. Oh, shit. So guess what, y'all? Damn, that shit knocked me down a whole 0.8%. God damn, bitch. I could have been at 93%. But that one loss just put me down a whole percent to 92. Fuck. We good, though. Break even is better than a loss, for sure. And Top Step makes you build it up before you can add more contracts in the 50K. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's on live, bro. Yeah, it's on live, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right. Ah, you're right. Ooh, you're right. Yep. So, yeah, you're right. Fuck. So, 92% out of 100 trading days, bro. That's fire. We take that, bro. Officially 100 trading days. Now we're on a one-day streak. One-day streak, man. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? We back in the winning column. Today could easily... This was my first live, man. Definitely loaded up more for tomorrow. Yes, sir. Let's go, Terry. Great first session for you, Terry. Let's go. So, yeah, 92% out of 100. Good shit, Brewski. Man, come on, man. Appreciate it, show. If I said it right. Is it better to start with 150 count since you can trade more contracts? Yes. You want to be able to trade more contracts and make the same amount of money as me. So if I'm making 500, you'll be making 500. If you double up and make 1,000 like I did, you'll make 1,000. So you kind of want to follow me, you know, to kind of get the same results. You did? Squid. All right, y'all. W day, man. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And if you're still here, your mama's a good person. But if you left, your mama's a hoe.
I'm trying to be cool. But goddamn.
Nah, I'm just playing though. Alright, man, let's get it. Yes, new day tomorrow. Same time, 8 a.m. Eastern. Let's get it. 30 days. This is day 1.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
And we're going to be winning big, too. We're going to be winning big the next 30 days. If I'm doing 1,000 a day, that's $1,000 balance in the next 30 trading days. Let's go.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Waukesha